Striker Paul Mullin, one of the stars of the Welcome to Wrexham docuseries, was hospitalised with a punctured lung after a collision with Manchester United goalie Nathan Bishop in a friendly Tuesday night. Mullin was attempting a header when Bishop challenged him just outside the box in the 11th minute and the two went down. Mullin immediately grabbed his head with his right hand and his left hip with his left hand, and was clearly in pain. He was down for about 7 minutes. A stretcher and a cart were sent out and Mullin was surrounded by medical personnel, but he eventually got up and slowly walked off with assistance while wearing an oxygen mask.